Turn power switch to off, before inserting or removing the needle. Place the fabric under the presser foot to prevent the needle from falling out. Release the needle set screw and remove the needle. Take out the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate by using T-shaped screwdriver. Clean the dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.